Looking for parts for your scooter? Just order online at Scooter Center. New deliveries arrive here every day. Tuning and spare parts for all models. Plus, tons of accessories for Vespa, Lambretta and modern scooters. Our BGM parts are developed in-house and made in Europe. Tuning kits, carburetors, shocks and of course tires. This is about precision and our boss keeps a close, experienced eye on every detail. We keep over 40,000 parts in stock at all times, from the tiniest screw to a full scooter frame. And if you've got questions, our real scooter experts are here to help by email, phone or in person at our showroom. %90 of all orders placed before 2 p.m. are shipped the same day. A total of 45 Scooter Center team members are working hard to give you the best service possible. We love scooters. We share your passion and we've got your parts. Scooter Center. Since 1992, featuring real scooterists.